Thank you for visiting us. This video is about motorbike stickers. Material we use for motorbike sticker printing is white vinyl that comes with heavy adhesive which sticks long. You can have it in any shape or size according to your requirement, like square, round, rectangle, oval, or any shape you want. We can laminate it with gloss heat lamination to give them a shiny look, or matte heat lamination to give them a decent dull look. We can customize bike stickers according to your desired quantity and size. So please feel free to contact us, send us a price quote request, live chat with us, or give us a call on the number provided. Just be specified with your required size, quantity, and color scheme. Thanks again for visiting our website and watching this video.